Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Waris. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Waris. Viewers, today we are discussing about one of the most common complaint of our people nowadays is constipation, a very sole symptom of the very serious diseases. First of all, we know what it is actually. It is an infrequent passage of stool, less than 3 times a week, or with very difficulty and straining or with pain is called constipation. There are so many causes in general, like poor appetite, poor diet, lack of exercise, poor fluid intake, old age, and post-operative pain. These can also induce constipation. And a very large number of the diseases can lead to constipation, like anorectal diseases, anal fissure, rectal prolapse, colorectal carcinoma, pelvic mass, and frequently when the use of much called calcium, like hypercalcemia, hypothyroidism, hypokalemia like symptoms can lead to constipation. And some drugs like opiates, anticholinergics, and some antidepressants, diuretics, calcium channel blockers, these are the main sources of the constipation. So once you are using these drugs can also lead to constipation. So one must not be worried about the constipation when these symptoms persist due to taking these drugs. Some neuromuscular diseases like spinal or pelvic nerve injury can lead also to constipation, diabetic neuropathy, and chronic laxative abuse, hirsute disease. These are the major components which leads to constipation. Now we are coming on the points then how we will treat this disease or symptom of so many diseases. First of all, we will encourage the more intake of the fluids, high fiber diet, take meal with bran added and whole fruit, not their juices. Problem when solved, and then you will continue your as usual. But if the problem is still not solved, then best way to treat is the treat of cause. Use of drugs for a few days and then continue. The general mayor's lifestyle changes are also very important. Continue your exercise, drinking water early in the morning, and if then in spite of these all measures and the problem cannot be solved, and then we have so many classes of the drugs we use, like stimulants. Senna is very effective an agent of drug, and then bulk forming agents like lactulose are very frequently used with very minor side effects, and brown powder, spagula husk, bisacodyl, sodium pycosulfate, liquid paraffin, Phillips milk of magnesia. These are so many drugs available in market to treat, but one should not be dependent on these drugs, and so we must have to keep our changing lifestyle and taking more exercise and high fiber diet, and drinking plenty of the fluids a day, and then you will be safe from this disease. If you have any query or question, please write in comment box. Till then, Allah Hafiz.